Before we continue with the RPT character showcase, let's first take a look at all the changes to the characters we know and love from the previous patch. Starting off with Ichihaime, her Chunbeam perk has been removed for the new Kachi perk. This new perk is based off the hit bestseller webcomic, Hetkagi and Kachi. This perk gives Ichihaime 5 Uma whenever she declares pawn on the 1 pin, as a reference to the start of the spectacular story. Next up is everyone's favorite Idoru, Kana. Kana's third perk, Gamer Idol, has been replaced with Hahi, with this popular area emote edit, used to encourage Anons to do their best. This perk rewards Kana players with 5 Uma for doing the same in the Mahjong table, by giving players the tiles needed to win. The change also converted the 4th perk's name to Hoe, to show that Kana isn't the type to win small hands, but the effect still stays the same. The next change comes to the well-known battle maid, Ryu. With her being the representative of all TOs, her 3rd perk has been replaced to have all negative Uma she gets from her placement, showcasing her organizer privileges. Strap your seats, because the next one is a woozy, with Xenia getting 3 whole changes, to fit more with her /MJG/lore. The first change, though, is just a balance change, and that's reducing the UMA of her Pursuit for Freedom perk from 10 to 7. The bigger change comes from replacing her Gamer perk with her Origins. This perk rewards Xenia players for showing their patriotism of their home country by discarding the flag to the board for everyone to see. This perk gives Xenia players +3 Uma for discarding the dragon tiles in the same order as the Hungarian flag from top to bottom. On the other side, her negative perk has been changed to show how she's never going to reputationally recover. With Xenia getting more Gunnar posts than Haruna in the current economy, this perk showcases how if anyone would be busting on the table in front of everyone, it would undoubtedly be Xenia. This perk gives Xenia players -20 Uma if another player on the table busts. With the introduction of Yuzu in this DLC, finally Kavi can have her true purpose. Her 3rd positive being replaced to show that Yuzu Grape rewards Kavi players with 3 Uma whenever a Yuzu on the table gets Rond or pay half of a sumo payment on their dealer turn. Sarah also got a small balance tweak, buffing her by reducing the punishment of her last perk from 10 Uma to 6. As for Hana's 3rd perk, it has... Next up, one of the most recent changes to Thread personalities, Nana. Her completely RNG negative perk has been replaced with a more manageable one, with Nana telling everyone in the cat chat to touch grass. If another player calls her up on her bluff, it wouldn't end up looking good. For that, this perk gives Nana players -6 Uma for dealing in with a Suzu tile. Since Sawako's days of being a luck shit character are long forgotten, with the newer releases power creeping her, her 3rd perk has been replaced with something she's more known of. By feeding 2 different players on the table, she's showing her amazing ability to netarare. For that, Sawako players get +15 Uma for feeding 2 different players at least 6 times each. Do you like any of the changes to these characters and want to revisit them? Then sign up for the Roleplay tourney now to be able to play as them.